Hey everyone, welcome back to Drop Tech, your go-to spot for the latest tech updates. Today, we've got some exciting new leaks about the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro series, and this time, Apple might finally be doing something a little colorful. For years, Apple has stuck to its classic grayscale palette, think black, silver, gray, and the occasional, natural titanium, shade. But now, according to fresh reports, Apple could finally be breaking away from that muted tradition with the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max models. We've already been expecting the iPhone 17 lineup to drop in September, but this new report is adding even more hype to the launch. Earlier leaks mainly focused on the standard iPhone 17 and the new iPhone 17 Air, but now we've got some solid info on the Pro models too, and it's getting interesting. Let's start with something subtle but important. Apple is reportedly planning to use color-matched lens protection covers across all models. That means the camera rings will match the phone's color, giving a cleaner and more unified look overall. Small touch, big impact on aesthetics. Now, let's talk colors. The regular iPhone 17 is rumored to arrive in 6 colors: right finger black, gray, light green, silver, light blue, and light purple. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to launch in right finger black, silver, blue, gray, and a new light gold variant. That already offers more color variety than we've seen in recent years, especially for those who prefer lighter, more playful tones. But here's where it gets exciting: the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. According to the leak, the Pro models might come in green circle black, brown circle gray, white circle silver, blue circle dark blue, orange heart, and yes, orange. That's right, orange, or as some sources suggest, maybe a copper or dark gold-like shade. Either way, it's a bold change for Apple's typically reserved Pro lineup. Think about it. In the iPhone 15 Pro lineup, we got black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, and desert titanium. All sleek, sure, but let's be honest, none of them were exciting. With shades like dark blue and orange now possibly joining the lineup, Apple might finally be giving its users some real personality in design. And people are noticing. Early polls show that about 37% of users are leaning toward the dark blue, with the orange, copper coming in close behind. Sure, most of us throw a case on our phones anyway, but color still matters. It gives the device a personal touch. Even if it's hidden, it's nice knowing what your phone really looks like underneath. The last time we saw something even remotely vibrant on a Pro model was with the Alpine Green iPhone 13 Pro. Since then, Apple's been playing it safe with dull, metallic tones. So, this potential shift is very welcome. But wait, color isn't the only thing changing. The iPhone 17 Pro is also expected to come with the biggest design overhaul in years. According to leaks and dummy units, Apple is planning a full redesign of the back of the Pro models. This includes a larger camera bump and a new position for the Apple logo. From what we've seen in early renders, the new layout does look quite different, and not everyone's loving it. The repositioned Apple logo especially is getting mixed reactions. Some say it looks a little off or unbalanced, and honestly, looking at the mock-ups, it's hard to imagine Apple's design team giving the green light to that layout. But remember, these are early leaks. Dummy models and renders often lack the polish of a final product. And Apple has surprised us with bold design choices before. Remember when they introduced the notch? Or killed off the home button? Both were controversial at first but ended up defining the iPhone's identity. So even if it seems odd now, the final version might just make sense once we see it in person. Whether you're a fan of classic silver or pumped about the potential orange finish, one thing's for sure: this year's iPhone launch is shaping up to be one of the most colorful and dramatic yet. Stay tuned here on Drop Tech, because the leaks are just getting started, and we'll be covering them all. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. See you in the next one.